Hello students, we are going to start with our English 1 Unit 2 poem Teamwork. What do you mean by teamwork? Teamwork means any work which is done in a team together. Means children are making project. So all the children are involved in making a project. So they are working in a team. A group of persons come together and do a certain work, make a team and do the work. So it is known as teamwork. Now let's see the poem. Let's sing and dance. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. It is telling that by working in a team, we can complete our dream. Means the dream we have seen. So if you are working in a team, the dream of every person, every team members is same. So by working in a team, we can complete our dream. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Means you are working in a team, so each person is doing a certain part of work. Means if suppose you are doing a project, then one person will bring the project, one person will do the drawing, one person will write in the project. So if you are working in a team, then certain part of work is done by you, and you have to share the work which you have done by everyone by telling what you have done, and you have to share your joy. See, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. It is telling that shoot the basketball means to pass the basketball. It is telling that it's fun to pass the basketball through the hoop. Hoop means you can see here the net. Here there is a ring, and inside and down there is a net. So the basketball is passed through it to make a goal. So here the trundle ring is known as hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. But it is telling that if nobody passes the ball, then how someone can make a goal, then how someone can shoot the ball to make a goal through the hoop. So if you are working, the basketball is a game to play in a team. You cannot play alone. So it is telling that if you are playing a basketball, you have to pass the ball through the hoop. But if nobody is passing the ball, then nobody can make a goal and nobody can shoot. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Relay race means you have seen the race in the movies or in the cartoons. There is a team member standing at a different distance. For example, the one person is standing here, the one person is standing far at a distance from that person. Then the person will run to that distance and pass up the baton. Means a small stick, or you can see that stick, this stick means a small stick is passed from one person to another at a certain distance, and the relay race is completed. But it is telling that if nobody wants to pass the baton, if nobody is passing the stick, nobody is running in the race, then how can the relay race completed? The relay race can't go on. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. It is telling that we are the parts that make up a whole. That make up the whole means small parts become a whole big part. So by that way, small part, when we are participating in any competition, our small part will make the whole big team a whole. And we have got, when you are working in a team, we all have got the common goal. So by making a whole, we can complete our goal. So we have got our common goal. Sometimes it can be big plus when a you or me becomes an us. It is telling that sometimes it becomes a big plus when you and me becomes an us. You must have heard the story that if I am giving you one stick, you can break it easily. But if I am giving you a bunch of sticks, you cannot break it. Similarly, if one child is for one child sometimes it becomes impossible to do the work, or he can lose. But if there is a group of child, if there are children, then it becomes a plus and they can complete their work. So our poem is completed. See, here you can see the small stick. Here they are playing a relay race, and the small stick is given to that boy. So here we are completing our chapter. Now let's see the exercise. See, poem 2, teamwork. Word meaning. Teamwork, combined effort of a group. The effort which is done by you for the work. Hoop, wooden or iron ring trundled along by a child. I have shown you that the hoop, but here there are two meanings. One, it was that hoop, and here the meaning is wooden or iron ring trundled along by the child. Passes, move onward, means to throw, means to move onward. Pass the ball. Relay race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. It means each person is standing at a distance and they run a certain distance and pass the baton. Baton, short tube or stick carried on a relay race. Now answer the following questions. What happens when we work as a team? When we are working in a team, when we work as a team, we can fulfill our dream. Yes, when we work in a team, our dream is fulfilled. What happens if nobody passes the ball in the basketball game? If nobody is passing the ball in the basketball game, then nobody can shoot the ball through the hoop. Then nobody can make a goal and nobody can shoot, nobody can pass the ball. What happens when nobody passes the baton in the relay race? If nobody passes the baton in the relay race, it can't go on. How can you and me become an us? Both you and me get together and become us. Now see, rhyming words from the poem. I have told you that when you are doing rhyming words, the last word will remain same, sound will be same, but you have to change the word. Whole, coal, the last word is same. Hoop, loop, buzz, plus, buzz, team, beam, done, gun. The last word will remain same. Shoot, root, goal, soul, joy, toy. Now complete the following sentences. If nobody passed the ball in the basketball game, then you can't blank, you can't shoot. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, a relay race cannot go on. It cannot go on. Now see, name the team members related for the following. You have to tell that which team members are related. To play cricket, we need, if we are playing cricket, we need batsman, bowler, fielders and coaches. We need batsman, bowler, fielders and coaches. To make a film, if we are making a film, we need directors, actors, viewers. To run a good school, we need, if you are running a school, what you will need? You will need principal, teachers, students, books, peons. To run a restaurant, we need manager, cook, waiter, customer. And so, here we are completing our chapter. We are completing our poem. I hope you have understood. Thank you.